Hello, my name is Nihal Shukla and this is my case study flight booking system where user can book the flight, search the flight by giving origin, destination and flight date, and user can check the fare, and user also can check his booking history and select the seat. After selecting seat, user can web check-in. And in this application I use Spring microservice architecture. This microservice designed to be independent and connected with each other. And this is the project rules where is the user and admin. User can book the flight, search the flight, check the fare and check his booking history, all of this. And admin can add the flight and delete the flight, and admin can also update the flight fare. And this is the technology I used. For backend part I use Spring Framework, Eureka Discovery Client, API Gateway, Swagger, Circuit Breaker, Logger, Microservice Architecture. And for payment part I use PayPal Integration Payment Gateway, and for unit testing JUnit and Mockito, MPMD and DevTools. And for front-end part I use React.js, HTML, CSS, PayPal Payment Gateway. And for database I use MongoDB and MySQL. This is the diagram for flight booking system. This is the API gateway. API gateway is a single entry point in a system, and this is the 4 microservice. First is check fare microservice, search microservice, booking microservice, and user management microservice. Search, booking, and user management microservice is connected with MySQL, and check fare microservice is connected with MongoDB. So the check fare microservice, user can check the fare of the flight, and in search microservice, user can search the flight by giving origin, destination, and its date. And in booking microservice, user can book the flight and check his booking history, and user can also select the seat, and user can web check in. And in user management microservice I implemented Spring security with JWT, and in user management user can register himself and log in. After So this is the Eureka server, and all of the microservices are up and running. It's API gateway, booking microservice, fare service, search service, and user management. So the Eureka server is an application that holds the information about all the client service application. And this is the Swagger. It is a Swagger for search microservice where the put, post, get, and delete APIs. And Swagger helps user build, document, test, and consume RESTful web services. This is all for the backend part. And for the front end part, this is the register page for flight booking system. So first we enter the credential, first name, last name, email address, password, and the role. If I don't enter anything and click on sign up button, then first it is the form validation. So enter the name, enter the gmail.com, and enter the password and select the role. First I select the role as a user and click on sign up button. It redirect me after successful register. It redirect me on the login page where I enter the Gmail and the password and click on the submit button. The login is successful. After login is successful, redirect me on the home page where we can search the flight by giving origin, destination, and the date. And this is the footer for the flight page, and this is the profile for user. It's a booking and check-in. This is the contact us page where we can give the name, email, and message, and the send button. And this is the Google Map integration. And if I click on book now button, then it redirect me on this page where all the flights are available. And we can also search the flight by giving origin, destination, and the date. Select the date and click on search button. It is the flight by matching this origin and destination and the date. If I click on book button, then this is the page where the flight number, origin, destination are automatically is there. And if I click on add passenger, then it's calculate the fare price. If I click on again add passenger, then it's calculated the price by the passenger size. So adding the passenger details, enter the age, and connected with MongoDB database. So connected after clicking on book flight and click on confirm button. After this page where the booking ID is automatically generated and the fare is 105 for one passenger, and this is the flight number, origin to destination, and that's the date, and this is the payment information where I enter the details. Enter the CVV and click on book securely button. For payment I use PayPal integration. And this is the price 105 fare of the flight. and this is the payment success page we received. If I click on the OK button, it will redirect me on the home page and send me the mail of the confirmation of the payment. This is the mail. Thank you for using our service. Click here for web check-in. If I click on this URL, it redirect me on the profile page where we can check the booking history. This is all the booking history of the user, and we can also check the booking history by giving the booking ID. And after this we can click on check-in button, and this is all the bookings. If the status is checked in, then we can not again check in, and if the status is booking confirmed, then if I click on check-in button, this is the seat selection page where I can select any seat. Let's assume I select this seat and click on web check-in button, and this is the booking details where booking ID is this, seat number is this, and the ticket number is automatically generated. And if I click on OK button, then redirect me on home page and also send me another email where all the booking IDs are available. This is for the user part, and here also I search the flight by giving origin, destination, and the date. And we can also book the flight from here. And here the top visited places in this month, we can also click on the book button and it's redirect me again on this page where we can book the flight. This is all for the user. And if I click on admin, we need to log in as an admin. So first we register as an admin. Here we register as an admin. @gmail.com and enter the password. And if I select a role as an admin, then we need to give the secret key. This is only known by the admin. Click on sign up button, and here click on submit button, and login is successful, and here we are admin. And this is the admin page where we can add the flight and delete the flight. If I click on the add flight, so we need to fill the details for the flight. The flight number is this, and we need to give the origin. Let's give origin is this, and origin destination is this, and flight date, departure time, and the arrival time, and we need to give the fare, and give to EU currency, and the count is the total seat where the total seats are 100 and the book seat is right now is the 0, and click on the add button, and flight added successfully. Let's check on the database. So the flight is added successfully. After adding the flight, if we click on the delete button, so this is all the flight. Let's assume we delete this flight. Click on the delete button, and this is the are you sure you want to delete the flight, and click on the OK button, and flight is deleted successfully. Check on the database. Flight is deleted successfully. So this is for the admin, and this is for the user. That's all from my case study. Thank you.